What's up everyone, David Hoffman here from Davidsbeenhere in Lucknow, India, and today I'm doing my first meetup ever, and I'm doing it in Lucknow. We're meeting here at a park, can't wait to see my fans, and I did this through Instagram, so let's see how many Indian Lucknow fans I have. I think it's at least a dozen. Let's see. I was gonna cross like David crossed, like, there's like, what's up, bro? How you doing?
Fine, you too?
Very good. You?
Hello. I'm good. What about you?
Very good. How's everything?
Very good. How are you?
Very good. Your friend?
Yes, he's my friend. His name is Harry.
What's up, man? How you doing? Hello.
How are you? What's up? Good morning.
Yes.
Hi.
David, pleasure.
Hi.
So guys, you ready? First meetup.
Yep, exactly.
This feels like China.
It's like China.
Yeah.
I am I'm a student here. Show David my work and he will show it to you. I'm in Merchant Navy. I'm currently sailing as a 4th engineer. That's it. I'm already quite popular. I'm issued at Sogi to anyone. My name is Harshit and I'm doing internship in Marriott, Fairfield.
I'm Atish and I'm studying SLPG college. I'm doing BWOC.
You're too much. The portrait. What? You're too much, dude. My God, for doers, dude. Hey, this is awesome. No, they're gonna love this. Doers right there. Dude, you're too much, man. Thank you. This is awesome. Wow. So these girls came up to me and they're like, they like me, so we want to go say hi to. Hello.
Hi.
How are you girls?
Hi.
Do you watch YouTube?
Yeah.
Yeah? All right. I'm on YouTube. So say hi.
Hi. It's me, birthday girl.
All right, girls. Thanks. Take care. How big is this thing, man? It's crazy. Is this to sit down or like? Okay, this we go through here. Wow, this is insane.
You can see all around.
You doing good?
Yep, doing very good.
It's the same thing. Okay.
Facing out back towards your camera.
Yeah. So I can just get like us looking at the whole thing. Yeah, I want to ride all of them. Let's go to see the elephants. I've never seen that many elephant statues in my life. Workout. That's gonna be the best one.
Yep, exactly.
It's a lot of Marvel fans here, right?
As a new member in the gang. A new member in the group.
I love you, Lucknow.
We love you, David.
David, pleasure. Nice to meet you. Thank you again.
Yeah, it's fine.
Thank you. This is too much. And thank you for coming, man.
It's all right, yeah.
I feel a lot better today. No, you're super shy. You? No, nothing.
We love you a lot and we want you back after some years. Again with your family and your daughter. And your second daughter also.
I will. Awesome. Thanks, guys. Awesome. Thanks, dude.
Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Peace, guys. Don't crash.
Oh! No! बहुत अभी आदमी है करवाओगे क्या भाई कुछ नहीं होगा यार It's my responsibility.
No, don't worry. I'll cross. I got it. That was awesome. That's how you cross the streets in India.
Signals. Very nice meeting you, David.
Thank you for everything. We'll stay in touch, bro. Hey. Thank you for everything. What happened? Incredible India! It's a video, guys. It's a video. Come.